Hi everyone. What is it that recharges you? What are the things that you'd like to accomplish this year? Do you even know what those things are? One of the things that recharges me is to get away with my husband or to get away with my family on vacation. I love that. It's something that recharges me, and it's something we really prioritize and plan for. And I want to encourage you, if you think, well, I could never do that, it's just not true. You know, you pick something that you want to do, and then you put it on the calendar and you plan for it. And you plan for it financially. You know, doing a dream vacation that you love, maybe you pick somewhere you want to go, you find out it's $3,000. Did you know that's just a little less than $60 a week to save? Oftentimes that means us choosing not to eat out a few times a month, or maybe picking up a little side job. I want to encourage you that your dreams and plans are important and you can accomplish those things. And if you'd like help, come and join my workshop, Dream Plan Do. It's going to be a great time together with like-minded women, and we're going to be able to go over a process, a systematic process where you define your values, where you define your goals for the year, and then you're going to have accountability to help reach those. I hope you'll join me this year. It's going to be a great time.